Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. Welcome back to the channel. Great to see everyone back. As I do with every video, I want to start off by saying thank you to all the viewers and all the subscribers supporting the channel. Immensely appreciate that. For today's video, I would like to dive into week 45 of 2021, all of the options contracts, all of the options premium received this week. Up on screen here, you can see all of those contracts. $5,783 was received to the account. Contracts with Tesla, TSLA, Robinhood, HOOD, Canopy Growth, CGC, CRISPR, CRSP, and Boeing BA. Some of these contracts I may end up buying back. This is still active hours trading. As you can see, there's a white background to the application here, Robinhood. So this may change a bit, and I will update that later in the video. But so far, 5,783 currently. If we take a look at the portfolio very quickly here, you can see kind of an up and down day for trading. In early morning trading, dipped down to $833,000 before rebounding here, $838, and then I think it got up to almost $840,000, $839.45 at least. It is pulling back here a bit, again, in active hours trading, but I'll do an update later in the video to kind of see where we end the day. And these are all of the current options contracts that are pending for today. You can see those on screen here. Again, these may be updated a bit. I might buy back some of those call contracts. I might even buy back that Robinhood contract because that currently is looking like it will be assigned for today. But again, let's just quickly go through these here. This is a Boeing 250 call. If Boeing gets above 250, I'll have to sell this from the portfolio. You can see in the middle of the screen, I sold off 12 contracts. And on the bottom, you can see the premium received on the account. 250 call sell 1112. 12 contracts, 14 cents per share, $14 per contract. Since each contract is 100 shares, $168 was received to the account. CGC call, if Canopy Growth gets above $23, I'll have to sell at $23. You can see in the middle of the screen, 20 contracts I sold off, -20. And the premium on the bottom of the screen, $40, $23 call sell, 1112, 40, 20 contracts at 2 cents per share. So $40 received for that particular premium. CRISPR contract 106 call. If CRISPR gets above 106, I'll have to sell at 106. In the middle of the screen, contracts -5, so sold off 5 contracts. And on the bottom, 106 call sell, 1112, $100 received to the portfolio. And then most of the premium was with these two contracts. Robinhood, $36 put sell. If Robinhood gets below $36, I'll have to buy at $36. And you can see on the bottom of the screen, Robinhood currently trading at $35.60. You can see in the middle of the screen, contracts -15. And on the bottom, you can see the payment for $915, $36 put sell, 1112, 15 contracts, $61 per contract. So $915 to the portfolio. And then, Tesla on the bottom here, TSLA, $975 put. If Tesla gets less than $975, I'll have to buy at $975. Currently, Tesla is trading at $1,031. -4 contracts in the middle of the screen. And then on the bottom here, you can see I did a little bit of selling and then buying back and then sold off again. So $44.20. 975 put sell, 1112. Bought those back at 38.40. So made a few dollars there, and then went ahead and sold off again. 975 put sell, 1112 for $980 one contract, and then 3 contracts for $3,000. So again, those trades are accounting for most of the premium this week. But again, these are the current contracts in active hours trading, and I'll do a little bit of an update later on to show you guys exactly how much premium was received this week if I do buy back some of those call contracts. And now you can see that we are in after hours trading. The white active background is changed black to indicate after hours trading. And you can see here the portfolio did rebound quite nicely here, back up to almost $840,000 right before the end of trading today on Friday. So very pleased so far with the performance of the portfolio. If we scroll down, you can see the options contracts have disappeared. I did go ahead and buy back the contract for this week, the call sell for Boeing, and then sold off for next week. You can see that on screen here, 1119. That contract will be for next week. But let's go ahead and go back to the week 45 review of all the contracts. You can see on the bottom that Boeing contract was bought back $12 in the negative. So overall, $5,771 for this week of trading. Let's go through all of these contracts. I'll put the review here in the upper right hand corner. Let's go through all the contracts that show you guys exactly what happened at the end of day trading today. Let's scroll down to my list. I do have a list of all of the contracts, or at least stocks that I do contracts with options trading. First, let's take a look at Tesla. Again, I did a few different trades with Tesla. Let's go to the bottom history to show you guys all of those trades for full transparency here. So as you can see on the bottom of the screen, a number of trades. Initially, I did a put sell 11/12 for $4,420. Then I went ahead and bought those back at $3,840. Then I turned around and sold the contracts back. One contract for $980, and then 3 contracts up on top for $3,000. That contract here. So very, very good performance so far with the options trading, selling off puts with Tesla. And up on top of the screen, you can also see that there's been some very good performance overall with Tesla. Last 1 year of trading, it's up 148%. It has been coming back here, at least over the last few weeks. 1 week here down 10.45%. So I'll continue to sell off puts with Tesla, but have to be a little bit careful because I think it is overvalued at this point. Let's continue down the list here. Robinhood. So unfortunately, Robinhood did trend down again. It seems like every time I put in a put contract with Robinhood, some bad information comes out. If we scroll down here, you can see that there was a rather large data leak in the middle there. The Verge, 2 days ago, screenshots reveal what extra information the Robinhood hackers accessed. So that is not good news for Robinhood. And again, it seems like every time I put in a put contract with Robinhood, when I think it's going to turn around, there's more information that comes out in the negative. But needless to say, I had to buy contracts here. Again, that $36 put sell did get assigned. 1,500 shares is now currently in the portfolio. If we scroll to the bottom for history, let's go through all of those trades here as well. As you can see on the bottom of the screen, the put sell for Robinhood in the middle, $36 put sell 11/12, $915 was received to the account. And then right above that, you can see the put assignment, the $36 put assignment that will be assigned on Monday, $54,000 for that particular contract. Again, 1,500 shares at $36 per share. So again, I need to sell that off here within the next couple of weeks to do some tax loss harvesting. But moving on, let's go down to Canopy Growth, CGC. Some very good performance today, up 12.94% in active hours trading, up another 1.24% in after hours trading. You can see currently I have 2,000 shares, but the total return is definitely in the negative. 31,800 is the total return for the stocks in the portfolio, but I've received probably around $16,000 in options income. You can see on the bottom of the portfolio here. This week I only got $40. CGC 23 call sell 11/12. $40 was credited to the account. So unfortunately, that stock has pulled back quite considerably, so I cannot sell off high value, or at least receive high value for premium income on the portfolio. Moving down the list, CRISPR also has been pulling back quite remarkably here, 6.49% over the last 1 month of trading, 3 months down 33.64%. Also have a very large negative holding, negative 20,535. That's probably around negative 15,000. I'll have to pull that up in my spreadsheet. I might do a dedicated video kind of going through all of the income at the end of the year to show you guys that not every position will make income. There is definitely a lot of risk in options trading, and they don't always come out in the positive. So I'll kind of go through that to show you guys what the net amount of income will be for the year. But again, CRISPR contract up on top, you can see $100 was credited to the account. CRISPR 106 call sell 11/12, $100 to the account. So not too bad with CRISPR. And Boeing, as I said, went ahead and bought back those contracts today. Up on top, you can see I do have 1,200 shares, one of the larger holdings in the portfolio, 33.52% of the overall portfolio diversity, and a very large market value, as you can see. And on the bottom of the screen, let's just go through those trades here very quickly. You can see a 250 call sell 11/12. That was premium that was received this week on the portfolio. And then right above that, I went ahead and bought those contracts back. negative 12. And then for next week, I do have contracts. Call sell 11.19, $300 was credited to the account. So those are all of the contracts. Again, I'll blow that up here a bit for you guys. $5,771 was credited to the account. Contracts with TSLA Tesla, Robinhood HOOD. You can see it's darker gray here because that was assigned. I did have to buy 15 contracts, 1,500 shares of Robinhood in the portfolio, but I will be looking to sell that off here shortly. CGC, Canopy Growth, CRISPR, CRSP, and Boeing, BA. All of the contracts, $5,771, week 45 of 2021. So I'll end the video here. Again, I want to hear from you guys what stocks you are using with options trading. Are you doing exactly what I'm doing? Sort of a wheel strategy, as it's called, doing covered puts, cash secured puts. If I do get assigned those puts, I go ahead and do call contracts on those stocks, and then hopefully selling those off at premium for a positive swing trade, and then collecting premium on the put contract as well as the call contract. What stocks are you guys using? These are the stocks that have been very profitable for my portfolio, especially the Tesla TSLA. But again, let me know what you guys are doing with your portfolios. And not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. Again, great to be back on YouTube. Great to see everyone back on the channel, supporting the channel. If you guys are new, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Always appreciate the support, like I said. And until next video, we'll see you then.